Flutter gives us a chance to make a custom widget. So basically we are going to make today we are going to make a simple custom widget which can be very dynamic in order to use the image in a Flutter app. Like I have a simple class here, app catch image tutorial. So I have a center image assets which I am getting from my assets images. So basically I want to make it a dynamic, like if I have I may have image coming from the file, or I have coming from the network. Okay, so basically first of all I need a package called catch network image now, which will be little more dynamic and like easy to use. So let's see, let's me create first an enum, right? Like image type enum dot, oh, sorry, I missed this, image type enum dot. Okay, so basically I will make here a enum with image type. Basically how can an image come in an application? So basically there may be a file type, and another maybe a asset type, and there may be a network type. So basically there are three terms. Image type can be a file, assets, or network, right? So I have a enum ready. So I will make another one file which will be my custom widget, and I will name it as a app cage image viewer dot. This will be my another file name. So let me create a stateless widget and app gets image viewer. So here I will not extend through the stateless widget, but I will extend here through the catch network image. So basically here I can't call a constructor here, and basically I need here another one. So I basically need a image URL in the starting, and I may need a image type also. So image type I will define here my image type, where I have created an enum. So I have created an enum. So we need to get a super class here, super constructor. So in super constructor we need to pass image URL. Okay, so our almost our uh, custom widget is ready. So I need to here write a switch case. I need to switch image type. I need to switch image type, and I can't return here anything in the beginning. So now inside this I have a case where image type can be asset, right? Importing assets. So I will return here then image dot assets. Then that will be our image URL, right? So in another case we have case image type, sorry, image type dot network file. Okay, this will be the signal with the file. So I will return here image image dot file. So there will be our file in which we have the image URL. So I need to import a dot.io, right? So and there is another one final uh, type, that is a network. So I basically don't need to here return image.type, but we can do just super.build in that context, because case it network image automatically gives us a they have a build method where I can get the image. So okay, basically our app catch image viewer is a custom widget which has been ready. So let's try this in our app, where let me just cut, okay, let me just cut out this one, and I will app catch image viewer. So the image URL can be, let's try with the assets. Okay, assets images and krishna.jpg. So image type is, what is this image type? This is the assets, right? This is the assets. So I think there might be error because of the missing implementation, but let's see what will happen in the coming minute. So I have just restarted my app. So let's see. Okay, I have got this one. So let's go with the one image from the Google. Sorry for that. Okay, let's go for the one image here, and let's try with the mm, okay, this image will work perfectly. Okay, I'm just copy pasting the image file here. So I we'll just give you the network. Okay, that's missing implementation error is already been found out. So let me just need to run and debug one more time. So our app is being ready right now. Let me just hot restart our application just to show you. It's you can just code the whole process and rebuild the app, and the missing implementation error will be gone. So you can see the catch image has been came in our application. So we have now another, there is file, there is network, and we can select anything whatever you want. So it can be a awesome tool or awesome dependency for our application, or we can say it as a custom widget for images. So this much for now. So you can just gather some more information, like you can just add here one more feature that is called probably what is called that, box fit. Okay, there we can also probably give a box fit. Okay guys, box fit is equal to, let's make a initialization, so it is not probably or required field. So you can just copy here and fit. Oh no, sorry, I misplaced something. Okay, fit, right? So it's just the image. We can pass it in our another application. Okay, here is no fit, right? I forgot out, it's not here. Okay, outside that we have fit. The final one, fit, fit. It doesn't give us a fit, right? I think so. Okay. Let's go inside here and we can just write here, mm, fit box fit dot contain or something, like anything you want. So awesome it's an awesome custom widget. You can try it now your own. So in coming videos I will be publishing more custom widget for the Flutter intermediate level. So thank you for till now. Bye bye.